Hambai or rally ni bising tui obono song awai mungrina ni thangi tong tongo tabni himale tini ni o sal 26 zone hayung gunangai o sal no observe khlaijago tangai observe khlaina nangkha o hayung gunango tini shikla bosongro kefek bithi bai kobolui lama koroi tong tomoi mani abon bagino United Nations belai wan suguya koi oya prino nakha 7 December 1987 no General Assembly wo of declared jaka 42/112 session khlaiya koi declared jaka tinini din hai shalok bisi birim grum or observance of international drug abuse and illicit trafficking palaina bagai tamni himala tini ne odino tangi sus khlaijakha obobo belai no wana masisa United Nation amono wan suka bongni naharmung bongni wan sumung hayung gnang gei tini hai dino nini US President, UK Prime Minister, American singer, American songwriter, over high, boro kotor o haingo tini assignment sal. Or sal no rubuino or International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking celebration khlaijago. Tamni himale chini shiklarong no lama hamyo him tongmani Diklai tubui lama kahamo himrinani bagai sin chai tongmung aboni bagai na tini o hamkrai nai bodol ni luai jimungbai tini usuk jora sopai lekha khakhao shikla bodol obono khanawoi khas rangai lama hamya himani yakari lama kahamo himna ambai